Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm gonna show you guys what I have here. This is an anti-tip over furniture strap and I'm gonna explain to you how it works. It comes with 10 sets of them and I'll show you guys how it works here. Let's see if we can open it up. Tape all over my hand. Okay, so it comes with 10 sets of these things. So hold it all up. This is everything here. And then these little wires here. So the way it kind of works, I'll explain it real quick. Oh, actually, here's some instructions that kind of explain it as well. It's got a warranty as well. And then there's that. Okay, so the way you'll work first is you'll drill a hole. Let me open up one of these. Scoot all the others over. So what it comes with in each bag, or you have 2 of these little clips, or the holders. We get a bunch of screws. We get 2 small screws, 2 big screws, and the anchor bolts. So you'll drill the holes into the wall. If you don't have a stud behind you, you'll open this up. So you will have, oh no. Gotta grab it before the dogs do. Okay, so you'll have this behind the wall. You'll hammer that into a hole. You'll put this here. You'll screw it in. So it'll be screwed in as such into the wall, right? You got 2 of those. So that'll be holding the wall tight. And then we have these, which are, let's see if I can pull it out. Everything's so taped up. Okay. And then we have these here little devices, and the way it'll work is so you'll have this into the wall, then you'll screw this onto the furniture. Then you can put this through here, this through the furniture side, like that, and then it's got this little connector here, and you screw it on. I don't know, I've had keychains like this before, so I understand the concept very good. And you screw it on. So then this will be attached to the wall. This will be attached to your furniture, and then so you can pull it away from the wall, this far, but you're not gonna be able to pull it away. It's not gonna tip over on a kid or anything like that. So if you need to be able to vacuum behind it, you could probably fit a vacuum hose or whatever. You could grab things that fall behind the furniture. And then it gives you the ability though, so if someone pulls it for hard, it's not gonna fall off. You can attach these things to anything you can screw it onto. So you could, so anything like a dresser or like this thing here, I could put it on the corner of this and it would, it'll pull it, away from the wall a little bit, but it won't have the ability to tip over, so you'll be able to keep your kids safe. So, a TV stand or anything like that. I mean, you'd have to mount the TV, hold the TV onto the stand, but this will hold the stand up, or, anything that's likely to tip. A lot of times you have like those cubicle, the square, the square dresser-y things or something like that. So you can attach this to the wall with that. Super easy to attach because all you do is just screw with these little screws into this side and into the furniture and then strap it on. So super cool. You kind of want to put them close to the edge so you can get your hand back there to screw it on, because you're not going to be able, if you do it in the middle of something, unless you can do it on the top or whatever, it'd be hard to reach over. But these are really cool. So, and they are called EastLink anti-tip over furniture straps. And they are really cool. I like these. So thumbs up for me.